When erectile dysfunction causes stress, couples often find themselves avoiding physical closeness. But with the right non-surgical tools, reclaiming that physical connection is possible. Today, we will walk through exactly how to prep, wear, and maintain a penis sleeve. Before we begin the application process, you need to gather two things: your correctly sized sleeve and a bottle of high-quality, water-based lubricant. Safety is a priority here. The sleeve itself is hand-poured from hypoallergenic, medical-grade platinum silicone. It is non-porous and free of phthalates. Knowing that the material is safe and having your prep tools ready directly addresses performance anxiety. With the logistics handled up front, your focus stays exactly where it belongs, on your partner. Step 1 is verifying you have the correct firmness level for your specific physical capability. This comparison shows two material choices. Soft silicone stretches more for partial erections. Firm silicone provides structural support required for severe or total ED. Next, apply your water-based lubricant liberally. Coat both the inner canal of the sleeve and the testicle loop. Water-based lubricant is the only approved option. Silicone-based lubricants will degrade the sleeve's material, while oil-based lubricants break down latex condoms. Selecting the correct firmness for your physical state and adhering strictly to water-based lubricants are the non-negotiable foundations for preventing device breakdown. Stretch the grip harness loop, guiding your testicles through until it rests securely behind them. For extra support, an alternative technique tucks the penis through the loop alongside an insertable rod. Otherwise, slide into the lubricated canal. Ensure the silicone head aligns perfectly upright. Taking the time to verify this exact alignment during insertion guarantees the most realistic internal sensation for both you and your partner. Now, look at the base of the grip harness. Pull the drawstring to tighten and secure the sleeve directly against your body. You have achieved a successful fit when the sleeve feels snug, is completely stable, and remains properly aligned for penetration without slipping. When you are finished, immediately wash the device using warm water and a non-abrasive liquid or bar soap. For a required deep clean, submerge the sleeve in 70% rubbing alcohol or a mild bleach water solution for 10 to 30 minutes, then rinse it thoroughly. For proper storage, pat the device dry and keep it in a breathable fabric pouch. Never use an airtight plastic bag, which traps moisture and breeds bacteria. Locking down the harness correctly and following these mandatory cleaning protocols maximizes your immediate physical performance and preserves the long-term lifespan of the silicone. You now have the exact knowledge required to safely apply, secure, and maintain your sleeve. As a final note on safe sex practices, you can wear an external condom over the outside of the sleeve for STI and pregnancy protection. Just remember to use water-based lubricant on the exterior as well. Properly sized and adjusted, you remove the stress of ED from the equation. You can return to enjoying uninterrupted, anxiety-free intimacy. Scan the code or visit rxsleeve.com to build a custom sleeve and find your perfect fit.